Just wanted to give you guys an update video on the DIY solar case I made back in 2016. It's been out here for the last year running the laptops and label maker for a COVID screening site. Just been running off this little Best Tech inverter because that's all the power I really need for the electronics. Same setup inside as before. Little charge controller's been doing fine. Haven't really powered up the 1500 watt inverter in a while, but it's still doing good. Still just powering it with the little solar panel. It's been holding up pretty good. The line's only open for a few hours every day, so has the rest of the day to recharge the pack just for a couple hours of laptop and printer use. So it's been working out pretty good. It's been pretty overcast lately though, and it's December, so the battery voltage is down to 12.9, so I'll just take it home and charge it back up with the wall charger for now. It should be good for another couple months without needing to top up. But yeah.